Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you how we can perform CRUD operations like update and delete using Hibernate. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Hibernate? Well, I have a good news for all. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Step 1. CRUD operations, update. Copy read employee and paste to create a new class update employee in demo folder. Let's change create to update, and remove read operations part of code. Let's declare and print employee ID first. Then instead of save, update retrieve object. Fetch employee using sessions get method, by passing employee class and employee ID. Use the setter method on object to update data, like set first name, and print the new object. Now, if we run class, first name is updated successfully. We can also double-check table and workbench. Now, let's update all employees using sessions create query by passing update query for email ID. Run the class again and verify the email and table. Step 2. CRUD operations, delete. Copy update employee and paste to create a new class delete employee in demo folder. Change the update code with delete code. Use sessions delete method and pass employee object to it. Let's run and check. Employee with ID 1 should be deleted. Check in workbench as well. Now, let's try to delete some or all employees by using delete query with where clause. Comment previous delete statement, as it can end up in error, and run the class again. Similarly, copy and remove where clause, comment previous one and run again to delete all the employees. So, we have seen how we can perform CRUD operations like update and delete using Hibernate. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.